What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which again hasn't moved much value wise, and it has been quite stable over the last few days, and in the last 24 hours itself it has dropped just under 7%, currently valued at this value here. But we can see that it has been quite volatile. Took a little bit of a dip earlier this morning, peaked back up, and then right now dropping again. So what is next for Milady meme coin? Is it likely to stabilize around its current price range? Is it likely to pump soon? Is it going to crash? And essentially covering its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect? Is there crypto to be investing into this year? And if so, when is the best time to get into it? And essentially covering buyers and sellers point of view as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is here in purple, and the crypto is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green, meaning it is still performing quite well and better than expected. And even though the crypto has taken a little bit of a dip earlier this month, we can still see that every time it's hit the SMA indicator, it has literally bounced back off it, meaning it is performing quite well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm expecting as well. However, that does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting red candles over the next 12 to 14 hours. It is likely to hit the odd green candle here and there in between, but what this shows us is the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect more minimal drops in value over the coming 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next few days, what can we see here? Again, we're looking a little bit skeptical here. The blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall minimal, well, according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. Reason being is, as you guys can see, over the last week itself, it has been fluctuating around its current price range. Yes, it's been up and down, but overall it has more or less maintained its value. So the graph is expecting a similar pattern over the coming week. However, even though it's not going to be a major increase, I'm expecting a small increase in value over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Reason being is, the crypto market did take a little bit of a dip guys over the last week or two, and I'm expecting it to slowly recover over the coming week. So hitting more green candles, not just for Milady meme coin but the crypto market in general, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April. I'm expecting minimal increases in value. So at the moment, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to go through an overall minimal increase in value. Now zooming into the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late May. However, I'm not expecting that. What I'm expecting is the opposite way. I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Milady meme coin over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. Again, I've mentioned it before, I'm expecting it to head higher up than where it was earlier back in on the 13th of March, as you guys can see, where it hit the highest level this year. I'm expecting it to go past that target in May, June time. So yes, it is going to be quite of an increase, but I'll keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Milady meme coin, well, even on a daily basis, because that's what I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So if you guys want to stay up to date on my takes and predictions on this crypto, make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, the crypto is currently hovering around the resistance target between the green and dark green zone, which is here, and it is still very close to it. So I'm expecting it to hover around there and slowly head up into the the blue zone here in April, and into the top tier level in late April, May is what I'm expecting it to head way higher than where it is at the moment. However, any updates I'll keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has dropped down by another 10% in the last 24 hours, making it just over $21 million, which is still a decent amount. However, the reason the trading volume keeps dropping day by day is because the value of Milady meme coin has also been dropping. Over the week, yes, it is up 12%. However, it has taken major drops here earlier last week and earlier this week as well, pumped back up and right now dropping again. And over the month, yes, again, it is up over 320%. However, since about the 13th of March, it has taken quite of a dip, guys, as you guys can clearly see. But as I mentioned, over the coming weeks, I'm expecting slow and steady recovery from Milady meme coin. So this is my take and my prediction on the crypto, guys. I've seen a lot of your comments. I have been going through them as well. A lot of you guys are for Milady meme coin and for it to pump up over the coming weeks, months, and some of you over the coming years as well, who are believing into the project over the long term. I'm also believing into it for the long term, and I own some Milady meme coin as well, which I will be holding on to, not for the next couple of days or weeks, but over the next few months and years as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.